I am here to put Jamaica on a new trajectory, a new pathway to progress and prosperity. The government will implement measures and stick with them for as long as it takes to bring genuine security to your communities. A state of public emergency is now in effect for the parish of St. James. In the St. Catherine North Police Division, within specified boundaries encompassing parts of the Kingston Central, Kingston Western, and the St. Andrews South Police Divisions. Basically, the two zones that we have are what we would call now the test cases. So yes, there are more zones coming. These interventions have proven themselves. The decline in the national murder rate is now 21%. What we're doing here today is ensuring that we make an investment in securing our borders, increasing our domain awareness.
Today is a celebration of all that is right with Jamaica. The training that you have received and the exposure that you have received should now be internalized so that you hold your head up high wherever you go.
The HOPE program continued to boost youth engagement in 2018. Over 12,000 trainees were enrolled between April and October. 12,600 from the unattached youth program were also engaged. And with February's signing of the $3 billion Gansu Industrial Park Agreement, even more jobs are expected.
Groundbreaking for the Economic Zone Industrial Park is scheduled for this to be done in December 2018, which is a working target for both Jamaica and China.
The industrial park includes the $2.5 billion Vernon Field Aerotropolis project. In 2018, $300 million was dispersed to start preparatory work at the Clarendon-based site.
It is to bring together multiple commercial activities, including aviation-related and global trade logistics, all strategically linked to an operating space that facilitates the ease of doing business, greater economic efficiencies, and the achievement of a more attractive and sustainable development.
The National Housing Trust delivered 984 houses in 2018.
The NHT is doing every single thing possible while maintaining its financial integrity to give you the opportunity to own your own home.
In August, the entity welcomed Lennox Channa as its new chairman. And shortly after, the NHT Strategic Review Report to reform and expand home ownership at the agency was tabled in the House of Representatives. Public sector transformation was fast-tracked in 2018 with February's signing of a $160 million loan agreement with the IDB.
Jamaica now leads the region in developing its framework to become a digital society.
Another $68 million loan helped the state support its implementation of the National Identification System's NIDS.
We are 90% complete with all the business processes needed to implement NIDS.
It's nothing nefarious, nothing to in any way erode the privacy of the citizen. What we are trying to do is to strengthen government so that we can better serve you.
At the Office of the Prime Minister, Sansia Bennett Templar was appointed the new permanent secretary. The Prime Minister continued his media engagements and also meeting with Jamaicans from near and far.
We are coming to your community to discuss it with you, to engage you, and to build a better Jamaica.
The new Parliament Building Design Competition was launched in 2018, and it's now at a stage where persons can view the designs. Assuming oversight of the energy portfolio, the Prime Minister installed a new board and a new general manager at Petrojam.
My role is to ensure that you get the appropriate policy direction
and ultimately to ensure that there is good management of the organization.
A review commission was also appointed in 2018. On receipt of the Auditor General's report, the Prime Minister ordered a forensic review of Petrojam.
Whatever issues are raised, the government will act to address them. This government has nothing to hide, and we are not shielding anyone, and we are not covering up anything.
International energy agreements signed with the US, Mexico, and Spain also boosted energy initiatives on the island. This will allow the country to increase its renewable energy target to 50% by the year 2030. The Energy Ministry also distributed solar-powered lamps to communities and households vulnerable to fire from candle usage.
We are not a perfect government, but we are striving to be the best government for you and your children. God bless you.